Welcome back to the Sawmill, everybody. Today I just wanted to start out by saying how much I appreciate all the support from you guys. I've been getting a lot of new subscriptions lately, and that really helps me out a lot, so thank you. So, as the title says, this is an easy way to set the teeth on your sawmill blades for only $20. This little handheld set of tooth setters, I believe they're for hand saws, but they work just as well on these blades. So how I do this is I start out with the weld on the blade here, and I put a yellow mark so I know that's my start and stop position every time. So each blade has a tooth that's bent to the left, and then the next tooth will be bent. It will not be bent at all, it'll be straight up, and then the third tooth after that will be bent to the right. So the teeth go left, straight, right. So I'm going to start out on the tooth that's bent to what I call the left. It's bent to the inside of the circle, and all you do is line this up, put the little bending arm to the top of the tooth, and squeeze it down till it stops. Now I use these ones on setting 6. It looks like it goes setting 4 through 12. But like I said, I use setting 6. There's also a magnifying glass here if your eyes aren't very good, but I kind of think it just gets in the way, so I don't use it at all. I just fold it back on the handle. And you just go through, bend a tooth, and then skip 2 teeth. Bend a tooth, skip 1, 2, and do the third one. Skip 1, 2, and then bend the third one. This blade is actually pretty bad. The teeth are almost all straight, so this one is way out of tooth set. This is by no means a fast way of doing it. I'm going to say it probably take 20 minutes to a half hour to do a whole blade. Maybe quicker than that. That's pretty conservative. It probably doesn't take that long. If I need to stop real quick, I'll just take a marker and put a little bit of yellow marker on that tooth, and I can run off, whatever, a dog's killing a chicken or something. Go take care of that. I can come back and I can know right where I left off. Okay, so that's all the teeth that are bent toward the inside of the blade circle. Now let me show you how I set up to bend the other side that gets bent to the outside of the blade circle, to the right, that I call it. Okay, let me find my mark here where to start. Okay, the one on the mark here is straight up, the next one is bent to the left, and then the third one is the one bent to the right. That's where we want to start. Like I said, this little bending arm inside here that extends out when you squeeze the handles, I try to get that lined up with the top of the tooth. See if I can get you a close-up here. I'll put a link down in the description of where you can get these tooth setters on Amazon. Like I said, it's only $20. I don't think you can go wrong with these. I've had this set for 2 years now, and I've not had any trouble with them. This actually goes pretty quick once you get started and keep it in motion. It does help though, having the blade sit on something like the mill that's hard surface, so it rotates easily as you go around. Alright guys, like I said, I'll put the link in the description. I appreciate you guys watching, and I hope this helps you. For 20 bucks, you can't go wrong. So until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.